Namaskar, I'm Bhavna Somaya and I'm very happy to come back to season 2 of Diary of a Dancer, where we have interviewed many accomplished dancers and artists. And today it's my privilege to introduce C. Gopalakrishnan, legendary Kathakali dancer. Those who have watched him on stage and those who have been trained under him call him the god of Abhinaya. He has traveled all over the world with so many concerts and won every single award, whether it's on the state level or it is on the national level. Sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
आपके नृत्य के बारे में तो हमने बहुत कुछ सुना है, देखा है. Today what I want to know is how did this journey of dance begin? सबसे पहले आप कितने छोटे थे जब आपको पता चला कि आपको डांस में रुचि है? किसने आपको बताया कि आप डांसर बन सकते हो?
मेरा बचपन में when I was in school there was a show. It's a Kathakali performance. My guru, that sir only, the teacher who was teaching in the school, is Nambudripad, Vasudeva Nambudripad. He is only played that Kiradam, that story of Arjuna and Kirata, the hunter. So he played that hunter role. And that day I saw that performance. From that age, I started to think about that. It is a different thing. The man is becoming a Superman. That is a different actor is becoming, and is a, of course, no words for that, because the Kiratam, that's hunter, the character is with the makeup, and without the makeup you can't realize the change of character and the human. Then I thought I want to learn, but the age that.
How old were you?
That time I was in the 12 years school studies. Then after that I thought I want to learn, but that time my family background, my mother also is a teacher, for music teacher she was, but when after her married and she stopped everything, so हम लोग को सब बढ़ाने के लिए उसने नौकरी सब छोड़ दिया. वो ज़माना ऐसा था. पिताजी वैसे ही इस वजह से रेलवे वर्कर, job at Indian Railway. We 4 brothers and 1 sister. So sister was a dancer, but not a professional. Learned from the age of, so all are associated with the art. So I thought I want to become a professional dancer.
Okay.
So I told my parents. First, they are not ready to keep, because I am also not interested in studies and everything. Mostly, always I am thinking about Kathakali, otherwise Chanda, the drumsticks and making noise and everything. Then I decided I want to join at Kalamandalam. Then after 14 years, then I went to, after 13 years I joined at Kerala Kalamandalam. That is a Balatolna in Cherudurthi. Journey. From there I started.
So what was a day in your life at that time? So were you going to school? Did you go to college?
Yeah, school.
So
we have to drop the school studies and we have to join in Kalamandalam.
Okay.
Everything should be there. Okay. Because morning 4:30 school classes will start.
Okay.
So hostel life. And there is a Gurukula Sampradaya.
Okay.
So you have to, everything, the classes and everything will be in Kalamandalam only.
Okay.
You can't come to home.
So it's a tough life, huh?
It's a tough life.
And whole day you are absorbing just dance.
100%. And
It
the
can be
thing is that
very
it's like a
jail.
Yes. We first 2-3 years struggle, very much struggle, because the teaching technique is like that only. For the morning, you have to get up at 3 o'clock, 3:30. We have to get up at 4 o'clock. The class will start. It's for the sadhakas, for the body movements. And the body massage is there.
Acha.
That Kathakali, perfectly for Kathakali, the artists are making suitable for the body exercise, and it's a Kalari type.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to go through this body movements, also body massages.
Body massages.
Like you
the
also
morning
said,
section is that for that only.
Okay. Then what happens?
4:30 to 6:30 we have to be there.
Yeah.
And morning we have to start with the exercise, body exercise. With the Kal Sadhagam. It's Dita Tata, Dita Tata. It's up to 4 levels we have to beat. and Guruji will beat. मार खाएगा ही उधर. Like police. Every day will get beat.
Yeah.
So उसका बाद में you'll start to do that. And नीचे वो तेल सब बॉडी में लगा के ये सब एक्सरसाइज करते हैं.
Huh. Like akhada.
Akada. And on the mat we have to slap down, and with the foot they are massaging.
Okay.
On the rope they are packing, holding the rope, and you started to do these all things.
Okay.
So typically the body is making that shape for the Kathakali purpose, to wear the costumes and everything. It is a that.
And you also said that, when you were young, you all were made to put either honey or ghee.
Yeah, not a honey, geese.
Ghee in the eyes.
Geese in the eyes. You have to rub here. You have to put it inside. That is the second section. So first section is body massage. That is from June, July, August. In the rainy season only they are doing this.
Okay.
After that, after 3 months, we'll stop the. That is 3 months means 1 month is 30 months. So the 90 days mein 45 days, 45 days. 45 days upper way and 45 is down way. The massage will move that way only.
It is to make your body in a certain structure, and
No,
your back
it's a
should
structure.
be
The back should be, the backbone has to be very clearly
firm and
curve. That curves tight. So standing on the stage, and the knees has to go out for that. क्या बोलेगा वो स्केले बनाते हैं ना, उससे उसको ऊपर ऐसे वाड़ा जैसा ऐसे बनाएगा, उसको ऊपर दोनों नी रख के पलटीस होना चाहिए. ऐसा हाथ नीचे रख के ऐसे रहेगा, उसको ऊपर ही करते हैं बॉडी को.
तब तक ऐसे ही पकड़ के
रहना पड़ते हैं. 40-45 मिनट्स का मसाज रहेगा.
सर पेन a lot.
So pain lot. अभी भाग के जाएगा ऐसा भी लगता था. सुसाइड करने को भी दिल लगता था.
Did anybody run away from the school?
Oh, so many of them. So those who are not interested. But one thing is not. It's not a crime thing. The thing is that when you have joined the Kalamandalam, there is a bond is there. So the stipend you are getting from the government, right? So we have to put a bond is there for 3 years. तो वो बॉन्ड का छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते. सो भागे जाएगा तो पैसा भरना पड़ता है. इसके लिए उधर हाथ में पैसा किधर है? इसके लिए मजबूरी से पढ़ना ही पढ़ना. You have to be there. But only for the 1 or 2 years.
Yeah.
After that we will.
You get into the love of it and the passion of it.
Passion will have.
And then you start enjoying the riyas and 100%. Everything.
The aim is there. You have to become a dancer. You have to work.
So when do you think you started really enjoying the dance?
When I joined together in Kalamandalam, then every month there is a performance. So हम लोग जाके वो performance देखने के time हमारा senior students are performing. That time I also thought, one day I want to be stage on that. है ना? वो बहुत interested है. And Kathakali, the difference between the other art forms, it's a really attractive way. It's colorful costumes, colorful makeup, everything, each and everything is natural. Where you are using the paste, which you are making the what we are selling, the green color, so that
from vegetables.
Yeah, no, it's not a vegetable thing. It is a stone actually.
Acha.
It's a stone. That stone is yellow color. We have to put crush it and make powder, and put coconut oil in that, and make paste.
And all this the students are only doing?
Yeah, every day, every performance. Today if you make it, tomorrow it is not going to be useful because your face will burn. So on that purposely days, you can't make it and keep it in a pot or not. You can't do that. Every time you have to make it. Made it new one.
So do you think that Kathakali is at the moment dying as an art form? It's not dying?
Never die. Because the new generation people now crazy in Kerala, everyday performance was it. It is not going to be stopped. New generation, my age is, I am now 64. But now the new generation people, 20-21 years people, those who are dancing, now the more importance that the media is there. On that time when I was in
there is no media.
There is no media, and there is no, now self introduction is there.
Yeah.
You can put your photos in your Facebook or anything.
Yeah.
है ना? That time there was nothing. गुरुजी क्या बोला वही करना पड़ते बस. That's all. I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So how did you come from Kerala to Mumbai?
Ah.
And when?
That is after my post-graduation. 9 years I learned from the
Kalamandalam.
Kalamandalam. After the course, then I thought, that time if you have to get a job in Kalamandalam, it is difficult because all teachers are there, they have to retire, then the new post will come.
Yeah.
So, to becoming a dancer, establish होना चाहिए. Establish नहीं हुआ तो programs बहुत कम है. And one program रहेगा तो उसमें गुरुजी लोग रहेगा ही. All famous dancers are there.
Best dance they do.
They do. After that, we'll get a chance. So, job is necessary, and there is no way. There is no other institutions also there. In school also there is no. So I thought, मेरा गुरुजी ने, he only told me that here the Kanakarale is in Nalanda. There is a post
For Kathakali Guru.
Yeah, for a Kathakali purpose, they need a teacher. So if you are interested,
Go.
you can go. तो मैं बोला हाँ आएगा क्योंकि my brothers also all over here only that time. That time I decided I will go. Then I came here in 1982, June 4th I came here in Mumbai. Directly come to Juhu. The thing is that first day it's not related to this.
Yeah.
But the thing in my mind, first day I came here, that time Amitabh Bachchan is standing on the gate. In this gate.
On his gate?
No. Our.
Acha. Why?
There is a workshop is there. He's standing a t-shirt and she's putting a tire and is rolling. It was a shooting for Kuddar picture.
Outside?
Outside, in the gate. Side. So I came here and they said, stop. I said, this shooting is going on. After 1 month, I go and went to saw a movie. I saw that movie. So it is an artistic city. I came here, that time only I realized there is something is enter the Nalanda compound. That time this is a small building. I met madam. So उन्होंने मुझे तभी मेरे को हिंदी भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, इंग्लिश भी नहीं आता है ऐसा, मलयालम, only Malayalam. So she knows some Malayalam words.
Because she is also trained under.
In Kerala also she is there in Mohiniyattam and doing Mohiniyattam in professionally. So there are language, all her lyrics are in Malayalam only.
Yeah.
So she learned that. That's why she know that she can't speak. मेरा थोड़ा इंग्लिश, मेरा थोड़ा मलयालम मिस करके मैं बात किया उससे. So with the actions also, with the hand gestures also, she talked with me, and she liked me, and she told me, "Come tomorrow."
So you established Kathakali dance in Nalanda, because before that there was Bharatnatyam earlier, and then Mohiniyattam came.
Bharatanatyam also there, Kathakali also there. Also there, Krishnamurti Warrior, she was the teacher at there.
Okay.
But when I reached here, after his retirement, वासुनी करके एक दूसरा एक मेरा सीनियर स्टूडेंट वाज इन कलामंडलम, उन्होंने भी 1 साल इधर काम किया. देन ही गो टू रविंद्र भारती कोलकाता.
Okay.
Then I got this job.
Okay.
So I came here. That time only 3 students are for Kathakali.
So listening to your workshop, I realized that Kanakben Kanakrele has been a very strong influence on you, and she has kind of shaped your
100%
career as a dancer. And those who have interacted with Kanakben, particularly when you're dancing and showing expressions, you see the residue of that same school of expressions in your face.
Exactly.
How was she in explaining the abhinayas and the ubhangas and all that?
It's difficult to explain that because abhinaya can't teach or you can't learn from abhinaya. You have to involve in that and you have to impress it, and or you have to express it. When we are sitting together, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था उनका जो speeching. When she was talking to about the characters or in Mohiniyattam or in any, and if she is making a project, some Kalyani and any Santavani or
Character,
something, if any character का बारे में बात करने का टाइम है, उसको मन में जो है वो openly she will start to talk. उसने उसमें जो बोलने का टाइम उसका अंदर जो खुशी है ना, you can't see on her face also. वो एक्सप्रेस करेगा, है कि नहीं? ऐसा मेरे को एक एक क्वेश्चन पूछने का टाइम है, we will realize that yes, she is also expecting that. गोपाल फिर क्या ऐसा करेगा तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. Immediately she will change her action. She will go through somewhere. दूसरा कुछ सोचेगा, हाँ गोपाल we'll do like that only. हाँ बराबर है, तुम बोला बराबर है. ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसा हो, कुछ ऐसा हस्ता का बारे में कभी उन्होंने कोरियोग्राफी किया था उरुमगल करके, एक पदम उरुमगल, हर द मदर एंड द चाइल्ड, इसका डॉटर का सामने, डॉटर इज आस्किंग मदर टू प्ले विथ.
Okay.
So she is saying, oh, I'm too tired, I'm very aged, I'm become very aged. So she is, I'm a buddhi. ऐसे देखा था. But she is shown like this only. So this is the gender, if we are showing the male characters are doing the buddhi, तो the स्त्री हस्ता here to be here. So immediately मैडम ये स्त्री मुद्रा पकड़ना चाहिए ना, ऐसा मैं बोल दिया. So she is, no. Immediately she is, नो नो नो, मैंने ऐसे सीखा, मैं ऐसे करेगा, तुम लोगों का कलामला में ऐसे किया होगा, इट डजंट मैटर, ऐसा ऐसा बोल दिया मैंने. नेक्स्ट डे शी केम तो रिहर्सल के टाइम में वो ऐसे ही किया मेरे पास, गोपाल मैं तुमने बोला इसलिए मैं किया है ऐसा. सो दैट मैं इतना छोटा है, लेकिन उनको मालूम है मैं बोला तो उसमें कुछ है करके, इमीडिएटली एक्सपेक्ट करने के लिए उसको थोड़ा होगा ना हार्ड डांसर्स को.
A great artist is one who is autocratic.
Yes.
But if a constructive suggestion comes from somewhere, she's sharp to absorb it.
100%.
So just in the way she was influencing you, but also you were contributing to her.
Yeah.
Did you see that happen with you and your student when you were teaching?
Yeah, all students are waiting for me because of that only. She know that today morning also you saw that all students are waiting. My expression was good, but how the students has to say that my expression is good. मैं जो एक्सप्रेशन किया वो आपको समझ गया तो इसके बारे में आप एक्सेप्ट करेगा ना. सो मैं श्रृंगारम करने का टाइम में, मैंने जो श्रृंगारम करने के टाइम मैं कलामंडलम में जब भी सीखा था, मेरा गुरुजी हम लोग को इसे सब बोला ना, उसका टेक्निकली हाउ टू डू द अभिनय, उसका कनेक्शन रहता है. हमें बोला जैसा एक्सप्रेस नहीं करने का, मन में ऐसे सोच नहीं सकते. मैं दुख आने के लिए हमको सोचना पड़ता है, हमको दुख आने के लिए क्या करें, अभी मैं ऐसे एकदम खुशी में बैठा है, फिर दुख कैसे आएगा. तो फेस में एक एक एक्सप्रेशन, ये बाजू थोड़ा ये डाउन करके ऐसा हंसने का टाइम ऐसा दुख आने, तो इसका ये विद द एक्सपीरियंस वी आर शोइंग दैट. So only this much करेगा तो वो करुणा हो जाता है. करुणा के लिए हम लोग को दुख लगने का नहीं. तो ये टेक्निक ना कथकली में ज़्यादा है. मैडम का पास भी वही है. उन्होंने भी हमको यही बोला, अष्टरसा तुम सीख लो, तुम बालरामम पढ़ो. एंड गोपाल अष्टरसा में देखो आप, ऐसे श्रृंगार में अभी टिपिकल 6 टाइप्स ऑफ रसा सर्द, हास्य सर्द, हासीदम स्मिदम हासीदम. सो उन्होंने ही सिखाया ये सब. उन्होंने जो एक्सप्लेन करके स्टूडेंट्स को दिखाते हैं ना, वो टाइम में उसका सामने जाके बैठेगा तो हम खुद ऐसा हम लोग सीख लाएंगे उसमें.
आज आप वर्कशॉप में बता रहे थे कि श्रृंगार रसम में से करुणा रस में द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. Can you do that and show us, or you need a song?
Yeah. So if you are showing this, no, it's not like that, ऐसा.
Amazing.
Yes, a number of difference. But yes, when you are looking to the smile and hi. If you are putting a for some aisa, amazing. Changing.
But I was just watching you just now and thinking of the film actors, and they always have a script to emote and perform, and they always say that dance and dancers do representative acting.
Correct.
Correct. Whereas theirs is realistic acting. But I feel that for the same emotion, the moderate to extreme expressions that dancers give, the actors are incapable of giving.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah.
What do you think is more difficult
That
as
is-
a guru?
That is really the difficulty is more than in front of the camera to show these all things. That is different. The technique is different, and that is Logadharmi. There are two types of Logadharmi and Natyadharmi. In Abhinaya also, two types are there.
Okay.
In Logadharmi is a general, whatever it is happening in front of you.
Okay.
Natyadharmi is whatever it is happened in your life that we are going to show it.
Wow.
That difference is there.
Logadharmi and
Logadharmi and Natyadharmi,
Okay.
both are there. The Natyadharmi is that Natya with the you don't have any, that means आपको घर में आप अगर आप परीक्षा में फेल हो गया तो आपको दुख लगता है, तो इधर आके आप एक श्रृंगारा का एक कैरेक्टर करना चाहते हो, आपका मन में पूरा दुख है, आप इफ you can't think about that things, you have to forget about it, you have to remove your face and come on the stage to become a character. So Peter Brook or everything, they are all theatre works, they are doing that like that only. Before entering your stage, you have to remove your own face,
and put on a mask.
put your mask, put in your character, become a character and come on this stage.
What happens to you the day you are performing? What are you going through in the green room while you're putting... Everybody does their own makeup, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
What are you thinking? Are you smiling and talking to other dancers in the green room, or you don't talk to anybody?
Yes, yes. Normally you have to talk because आजकल मीडिया का साथ बात करना पड़ता है, एंड फ्रेंड्स का साथ में हम कुछ बात नहीं कहते, मैं सीरियसली ऐसे बैठेगा, वो बहुत ऐसा घमंड है, वो ऐसा बात नहीं करते किसी को, उसका सामने कुछ नहीं कर सकते. बट व्हेन आई एम डूइंग अ कैरेक्टर, आई स्टार्ट द मेकअप एंड एवरीथिंग, आई ले डाउन फॉर द चुट्टी, दिस हियर वी हैव टू पुट द मेकअप एंड सो दैट इज द मैन इज चेंजिंग हियर कैरेक्टर रूप, ऐसा चेंज होता है ना, द मैन बिकमिंग अ सुपरमैन बोलते हैं. सो दैट व्हेन आई एम लेइंग डाउन, that time I am thinking about what I am going to show on the stage. After I get up on the stage and doing the makeup and wearing the costumes and all, before I am wearing the mukut, I will pray for my gods and my Gurujis and mother, my father, everyone will come on my level set. So that is only...
this is amazing, sir, because most of the dancers that I have interviewed, they always say that before they go on the stage, they pray to the gods, they pray to the gurus,
Yes.
they pray to their parents.
mother.
Do you think that it is the religious people who come into this art form, or is it the art form that turns them so spiritual?
Religious is a spiritual, religious or our own mind. If you are believing these all things, you have to follow that. If you are not believing God and everything, you can go straightly on the stage. But where you are going to fall, where you are going to make a mistakes, so that is, we have to decide it. In Natashasa, they are saying that the Eviga, Manushiga, both are there. On the stage, if you are perfectly okay, you are going on the stage. Before you are starting the performance, heavy rains come, calamity. ये go program is going to stop.
Yeah.
उस विघ्नेश्वर का बोल के फायदा नहीं है. Really, that is a Deivigam. And the Manushika, those who are sitting on the front side, the stage, you are dancing. They are talking about that. They are doing the realistic. But that also going to be difficult for your work. Isn't it? So both Deivigam and Manushikam, both you have to get it. So you have to pray that only.
How will you explain Devigam and Manushigam if you have to elaborate?
So Devigam and Manushikam, the God is gift. God gift is that only. Devigam, that's God gift is there. And every, we are
in all
always,
the planets.
Yes.
And
there every, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना उसका विघ्नेश्वर को ऐसे बोल के remove the all spectics. That's right. And कैलामिटी होते हैं, बारिश गिर गया, नहीं तो ट्रेन लेट हो गया, इसके लिए प्रोग्राम देखने के लिए आने को तकलीफ हो गया. Circumstances. एंड दोस्त पब्लिक के बीच में ऐसे उसे झगड़ा करते, मारा मारी, कुर्सी निकल के फेंकते, हम इधर डांस करते रहते, कोई देखते नहीं इधर. ऐसा एक सिचुएशन आएगा तो क्या होता है? Our program is going to be, the artist is going to be affect this whole thing.
Yeah, an artist is sensitive also.
So ये नहीं होने का तो
you pray to the gods.
Pray to the gods.
So what is more difficult? Is it more difficult to be an artist on stage, or is it more difficult to be a guru and depart all the knowledge and so much of precious material that you have in your head and your heart, you're giving it to all your shishyas? And
to becoming a teacher, to becoming a scholar, to becoming a performer, 3 hours are difference. A artist can, अभी मैं डांस सीखा है, मेरा डांस का बारे में, the dancer is doing the Natyashastra, she is explaining about the dancer. If dancer is explaining to the Natyashastra, if author or either those who are take degree in a scholar is becoming a scholar, and scholar is saying about the Natyashastra. Both are different because the practitioner is, she know or he know that the things those who are going to implement in your work.
Yeah.
That is easy to, that is more important.
Yeah.
So Kanakarale, like Kanakarale, she is a dancer and she is a scholar and she is a teacher. ये तीनों साथ में मिलने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. ऐसा हो गया तो इसे फुल.
और आप अपने आप को कैसे मानते हो?
मैं कुछ नहीं है, मैं एक स्टूडेंट है.
नहीं, you are a performer, you are a scholar
yes,
also.
ऐसा
and you are a
मैं
guru.
scholar, see I told you na, still I am learning. With the experience only we are becoming a, now I am 64. So from the age of 21, 22 years age, I started to do these all things. So that experience is in my mind. So every day I go through the books and everything goes performance देख के भी, अभी मैं एक performance में मेरे गुरुजी का गोबिया सेन is performing the Nala. So if suppose he is doing the she is thinking about Kuntina Nayaka, the role of Nala is thinking about Damayanti. So what expression he is doing? These all are how we are going to learn from him, his face. You can imagine, you have to think about that. This time he is doing like that only. So हम उधर बैठ के उसका साथ ही हम लोग को involvement होना ही चाहिए. So something you will, every day you will get something. Every performance you will get some.
As you get older, your performances on stage get infrequent. Not like it used to be in your Javani, you know.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy more being on stage, or do you enjoy more being with the students and
teaching? I am more interested.
Last question.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought that if that young boy in school had not watched that Kathakali dance performance, if that young boy had not told his parents at age 14 that he wants to go to Kalamandalam, what would have happened to this boy? What kind of a life he would have had?
If he is thinking about he want to become a dancer, he only had to decide it. The parents are कितना पुश करके उसको दूसरा कौन सा जगह पे भेज दिया तो भी उनको कुछ नहीं होएगा. अदर ही इज डिसाइडेड टू बिकमिंग ए dancer, he will become a dancer.
Thank you sir for gracing our show. And जैसे आपने अभी कहा कि हर परफॉर्मेंस, हर डांस देख के हर रोज कुछ न कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. तो उसी तरह से all of us, me who's talking to you on camera and my entire team who's listening to you, has learned so many things.
Thank you. It's all from my Guruji's
our lives.
Anugrah.